Okay, let's make some Three Stooges effects, like the ones you see right here. Okay.
Get busy.
Alright, so we're gonna start with an empty Kong right here. And I'm gonna create a tone and change the pitch to 68. Okay. And crank up the level. And that's it for that. Now we need a rattler and change the snare tension all the way and take down the tune just a little bit, around 10 o'clock-ish, and I'm gonna crank up the level, and that's it. Except just one more. I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna take the pitch down to 67, and that's it. That's it. You now have your Three Stooges effects. Yeah, easy. Three Stooges effects in Reason using Kong Drum Designer. Alright, that concludes the tutorial. See you next time. Bye.